We're often told the adventure has to be big, far away, expensive, perfectly planned, but that's not always the case. Sometimes the best adventures are the simplest, close to home, surrounded by old friends, reconnecting with nature and, well, each other. Sometimes the real adventure is found in this simplicity. The Barrys and Brian actually came out on Friday night. We were thinking about it, but we still had a video to upload, so we just said we'd meet the crew on
Hello,
Saturday.
folks.
What's up, people?
How's it going?
Good.
Who are we saying
I
good
do
morning?
not remember that road being that rough.
Oh, it's fucking
Terrible.
Horrible. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. How was
Terrible.
last
Just
night?
terrible. Same spot.
Nice to see you.
What's up, man?
Hey, how are you?
Hey, you know. A little fatter.
Sir?
A little older. How are you?
Good. How are you?
What's up, man?
Oops,
How's
sorry.
it going?
Got a fire going
Thanks for coming up
already?
and grabbing this spot, because look, coming in, I was like, holy, it's busy.
It is. It wasn't when we got here. There was tons of spots when we got here, but by last night.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We are out today for a simple overnight camp. We're with Brian, and we also are with Brent and Tanya. They both came out last night, snagged us this wonderful spot. We are just going to hang out for the day, chill out, relax. Potentially later, we'll take you down, check out the beach, but no promises. It's really busy here. Understandably, the weather is gorgeous. It is warm. Apparently it gets chilly still at night, but we're prepared for it. Catch you in a bit.
Now, I'm not going to lie, this place is absolutely stunning. But during the regular camping season, the beach becomes a little less, well, desirable. That's when the beauty shifts from the shoreline to the actual off-road community, and we walk around checking out each other's rigs.
What do we got going on here?
So we are making burritos. It's going to be a beef, bean, and cheese burrito. We're just getting stuff ready so that, you know, when you let it sit, it just gets better. And then we'll assemble it, and we'll probably warm it by the fire. Maybe. My skills at the... that kind of stuff is not great. Last video when I did steak on the fire, brilliant, but for some reason, once I wrap it in tinfoil, it's like I lose control. So we're going to do the beef. We're going to season it. As you can see, we got some refried beans going here. Just warming up. Then, yeah, we got some, I think, medium cheddar cheese.
Yes.
And some flavored rice. And, yeah, we'll assemble them. And then when we're ready to eat, let's warm it up by the fire.
Exactly. Going to be delicious.
Should be.
I'm going to go shred the cheese.
cool. So, to get the flavor going of everything, I think I'm gonna meld the two. By the way, we've never really made these before, to be honest.
No, this is the first.
We always buy them those little frozen forms.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking to meld the flavors together, because we're not eating right away. I'm just trying to create a flavor base type thing. So. Ooh, that's good in there. Move these around though. There's the beef and bean part of the beef and bean cheese burrito. Alright, so we just added the rice. So we got beef, bean, rice. I think we'll put cheese on as we build the burrito and then we can melt it. I don't want just a horde of mess. But working really good.
Amazing.
At least in my opinion.
We got taco sauce, we got Valentina's hot sauce.
Yep.
Got some fresh peppers for mine, which you're more than welcome to have some.
Good. Appreciate it though. Okay, so this is a whole new, brand new experience.
We're winging this thing.
We've got burrito size things. Shells? Tortillas?
Tortillas, yeah.
Whatever it's called. All right. What do you think the best way is to do this?
Well, let's assemble yours first, I think, because yours is just what it is, right? I'm going to throw in some peppers.
That is true.
We've got taco seasoning and...
Okay, that should be enough, I'm guessing. Right?
Oh, yeah. Valentina's, which is not open yet.
Mm-hmm.
Cheese.
Yeah, I'm just trying to... I'm just trying to get it more tortilla-ish. I don't even know what I'm trying to say, actually. Okay. We did the fine cheese, okay.
I brought the handheld.
Okay, so that should be
Whatever
pretty good, yeah.
sauces you want.
I like the Valentina, actually. It's a good hot sauce. All right, so I am not a burrito professional. Guessing we probably should have heated these up to, no, maybe not.
I think they're pretty pliable.
Not too bad. Boom. Burrito. And trust me, we don't do a lot of burritos, so
No.
I guess I'm hoping this is right.
Okay, I'm
It's
going to get
not,
a piece of tinfoil.
But put it in the comments. Are you doing yours now? Oh, I get to film you.
Well, I don't know. I just got to get some tinfoil. I don't even know how big I went on the other one. Probably big enough.
Yep. Oh, I just had some of that spice hit the back of my throat.
We should turn these into chips. You want to talk about not being an expert? Here we go. It's about how much you put, right?
I think so. We should maybe grate some more cheese and then make more of them, and then put them in the fridge, and then we have them for the. Oops.
Well,
Let's pay attention to what you're putting in. Or we do it from home. Doesn't matter.
I put on some taco seasoning because I like a lot of sauce myself. Some peppers. Oh, this one next, I guess. I'm a big fan of the spice. How's that look?
I mean, it's your burrito, so.
I might have to switch off. I don't know how to do this part.
Okay.
Switch!
Pull it back.
I'm going to remember whose is whose.
Actually, I did yours better than mine. Right.
There you go. And I got some extra peppers to snack on.
The shadows were dancing on the building's golden light when sunset glow. Bustling streets and busy traffic, walking hand in hand on our way home. The roads were drawn like something certain, every turn laid out so clear. Felt like love, looked like forever, but I fear we had a paper town. Look good till the ink ran out. I guess we ended too soon. We painted bright blue skies. You were never truly mine. Our map's been torn into this paper town. This paper town. The streets don't feel like home now. All the colors faded, slowly turned to gray. And I thought we had it figured out, but it's just another town we left for dead. The lines we chased have all been broken, every path disappeared. Felt like love, looked like forever, but we're here. We had a paper town. Look good till the ink ran out. I guess we ended too soon. We painted bright blue skies. You were never truly mine. Our map's been torn into this paper town. This paper town. This paper town.
Looks good though.
What's that?
Looks good.
Actually, it does look really good.
It'll have that smoky. Let's see what yours looks like.
Let's see what mine looks like. That's, yeah, see, mine needs a little more. That's what I was saying.
You put it back on?
Yep. Let me get mine a few more minutes.
Warm it was because I went down to the water on the sun. I'm like, oh, I would have been down here
Some naughty little shit.
earlier, but
I just got some rice.
each place has its pros and cons.
That's hot.
Good though, eh?
My life. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Like the guys I went to Vegas with are the father and the two sons.
Is she okay over there?
What's that?
Is she okay over there?
All right.
Hi.
How's it going?
Well, it's
going okay.
How's your throat?
My throat is a little sore. Sounds a little scratchy. But I work with children, I guess. It's a beautiful day.
It is.
Other than the fact we gotta go home.
Yeah. Seems to be a pattern.
Yeah. Did you have a good time?
I did have a good time. It was short because we got there like later in the day, but
Enough to recharge.
yeah, I definitely feel better than I did Friday.
So until next time,
Get out there,
enjoy life.
find your moments.
Thanks for watching.
See ya.
Bye.